got a chance to meet Mr. Shah Rukh Khan.
Badshah of Bollywood,
Badshah
Shah Rukh Khan.
Bollywood. Anything to about Shah Rukh's के बारे में कुछ बोलना चाहोगे?
You know, it's a special moment because he has actually come for the first time after 5 years in front of media. You know, and at Danube we always believe in doing things differently.
True.
So again, this is the first time ever that a tower has been named after a celebrity's name.
True.
A lot of people asked us why Shah Rukh. Well, Shah Rukh is a global icon. He's not only loved by Bollywood actors, he's loved by a lot of Arabs. The second the news got out, I've had like 100 people message
I'm
me.
sure. मतलब वो बोलते हैं ना डेज में बिक जाएगा, मेरे को लगता है घंटों में नहीं मिनट्स में बिक जाने वाला.
और एक तो है कि collaboration, where by having something different. But I really want you all to go through the building itself. I can promise you it's a grade A office. It's one of the most beautiful commercial offices, not only in Dubai, around the world. The kind of amenities they've put inside this, like the sky pool, on the 33rd floor.
33rd floor.
With the skyline of Dubai. You have Lounge 55, outdoor deck looking at Palm Jumeirah. You have a Tranquility Garden. You have so many amenities, which normally you never have in an office.
True.
The people who work,
कोई घर पे जाने ही नहीं वाला है.
नहीं, अभी work life harmony. It's all about work life harmony. So you can imagine you go work out, swim in the pool, you have your ice bath, you have your sauna, you have your Zen garden, you have that beautiful outdoor deck, you have it all. So this is a one of a kind commercial tower on the heart of Sheikh Zayed Road.
True.
And the location is so good because generally what happens is a lot of the commercial towers are in those high traffic areas. This particular location, very accessible.
True.
Very less traffic around it, and you have almost 300 parking.
But one highlight which I thought in today's event.
Yeah.
Shah Rukh said, I have a house, Mannat.
Yes.
I have a house in Dubai. I think
Yes.
it's called Jannat.
Yes.
And उन्होंने लंदन और सब घर के बाद बोला अभी तक कोई भी घर में मेरा नाम नहीं था.
Correct.
But इस बिल्डिंग में मैंने अपना नाम दिया. I think that was the most heart-touching thing which I felt in today's
No,
presentation.
and it's a big deal. It's a big deal. He's never given his name to anyone. And I can also tell you, nobody else in Dubai can have his name.
True.
We have signed and locked in that contract. And the beauty of it is, if you come to Mumbai, including my mom who's a super fan, a lot of people you will find outside Mannat taking a picture. So we also feel by launching this tower, it's not just a commercial tower that we're launching, but actually a tourist destination.
True.
Where people will come, see the Shah Rukh's tower, take some pictures around it, and it's going to be an icon in Dubai skyline.
I want to say thank you on behalf of Mumbai.
Yeah.
क्योंकि आपने मुंबई में लॉन्च रखा और अभी मैं एक्सपेक्ट भी ये कर रहा हूँ कि सबसे ज्यादा उसके ओनर्स मुंबईकर्स होने चाहिए. Thank you so much. Always a pleasure.
Thank you.
So, are you ready to munch, explore, and snack the best digs in Dubai? Let's make some deals.